Have you ever looked at something personalized and thought, I wish I could make that myself? I'm taking you behind the scenes with the xTool F1 Ultra, not just to show you what it can do, but to share why it has been a game changer for my projects and has quickly become one of my favorite laser machines. I've spent hours with this machine and it's transformed the way that I create, especially the way I look at business now. I want you to think about this. What if you could create something that tells a story and leaves a lasting impression because it's made with care and intention? With so many laser machines out there, the F1 Ultra stands out to me for reasons beyond its specs. It's the combination of features and a design that makes it easy to get results. To me, laser engraving is an extension of my creativity and a way to bring my ideas to life. Let me share why this has changed how I approach every project. I'm really giving away some marketing secrets here, so I hope you get a lot out of this. Let's start with what makes this engraver tick, the specs and features. The xTool F1 Ultra comes with a powerful 20-watt fiber laser and a 20-watt blue diode laser, giving you flexibility and control for a variety of materials. The fiber laser is ideal for engraving on metals, while the blue diode laser is perfect for wood and other surfaces. And here's the kicker, it has a high working speed of 10,000 millimeters per second. That's because of the Galvo engraving technology. Combined with the framing feature, which lets you outline your design placement quickly, you've got a setup that's not only precise, but also incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Why is detail important? It's in those small, intricate touches that a story really comes through. Imagine engraving a name or a special date onto a piece of jewelry. When people see it, they feel the personal connection and sentiment behind it. Or think about creating custom branded keychains or tags with a company logo. Each piece reflects the care and quality of your brand. And for personalized gifts, adding a meaningful message or a name transforms any item into a keepsake that truly resonates. It's details like these that make a lasting impression on your clients. I hope I am making sense here. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Laser engraving isn't just about etching images onto materials. It's about creating items that have purpose and emotion behind them. I engraved this wallet with a Second Amendment theme, a design that really meant something to me. I wanted to capture that feeling of patriotism, pride, and freedom, knowing it would also resonate with the values and interests of my buyers. I also made some wallets with names that give it a sentimental value as well. It's also functional, which is a win for people who can't justify buying art for the sake of buying art. Let me explain. Some people have to feel, hold, and use things for them to buy it. I hope you are catching this. It changed my life when I caught the secret. Mainly guys are like this. They want something they can use. For instance, a custom sign or something you can make is cool, but they light up more when they see an engraved knife or an engraved wallet or something they can use. So if you can mesh art and functionality together, they will buy. It's a powerful combination, and that's why I sell a ton of these wallets and handmade items, and why you can as well. Okay guys, something interesting happened right in the middle of making this video. A previous client contacted me and they want me to engrave a logo on both sides of this axe and this axe. Now I have the Creative Space software open that you can see here. I put the logo on there. It's gonna be one-click settings, and this is going to engrave probably both of these within 15 minutes. And the reason I'm showing you this, because I'm not just up here trying to make a YouTube video for you guys. I am living this, I am doing this, and this is what it looks like. So with a one-click settings and the drag and drop, I don't have to spend a lot of time. And what I'm trying to communicate to you guys, that this is simple. And this is a fast way to make money for your family. When you're creating and selling handmade or personalized items, niching down to a target audience is one of the most powerful strategies that you can use. It's about knowing who will resonate the most with your work, whether it's people passionate about a specific theme, like patriotic designs, or for those looking for custom sentimental gifts for special occasions. By narrowing down your focus, you're not just another seller, you're the go-to creator for a specific group of people who feel seen and understood by what you have to offer. This targeted approach builds stronger connections, loyal customers, and more meaningful interactions. It's not about trying to reach everyone, it's about reaching the right ones who truly value what you bring to the table. I know know this video is about the F1 Ultra, but this is my insight behind how I use this laser. I really hope you are getting this. Another thing I love about the F1 Ultra is the versatility and ease of use. With the ability to engrave over 300 types of materials, you're not limited to just one medium or one style. The built-in 16 megapixel camera makes setup a breeze. It gives you a real-time preview so you can frame each design with confidence. And guys, I admit, I suck at technology sometimes. The xTool Creative Space software is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. In fact, I can unbiasedly say it is probably the easiest laser software I have used. And if you go online, you will hear other people say the same thing. And it's not just about material options, it's about connecting with the people who you give these items to. When you gift or sell something handmade and deeply personalized, it's not just an object, it's a memory, a story. It carries with it the thought and effort you put into making it special, making the recipient feel valued and understood. Each engraved item represents the moments and meanings shared between people, whether it's a gift that marks an important milestone or some sort of appreciation or a piece that celebrates shared values. These creations are more than just beautiful objects. They hold the feelings, stories, and connections that stick with people long after they've received it. And guys, this is the emotional part of selling. Understanding this will put you way ahead of the pack. In fact, I challenge you to go back and listen to this part again because you don't hear a lot of people teaching this emotional part of selling. This has helped me so much, guys. And if you can take this mindset and incorporate it into your business, you will see sales. Now, we still have to fulfill orders for customers. Being able to engrave items fast on the F1 Ultra without much downtime has been so worth it to me. A few months ago, I cleared a little over $2,000 in under 3 hours. And no, this is not because I'm a YouTuber or someone famous that you're watching. I sold this on my personal social media by finding the needs of my customers. Opportunity is out there, my friends. You have to find it. Whether it is with a laser engraver or something else, find those needs and you can solve the problems of someone else and it will mutually benefit you. The uniqueness of this machine is that it is a portable powerhouse in my opinion, and it engraves virtually everything. I will say this, if you want to make larger projects, you need to weigh out getting a larger diode or CO2 laser for things like signs or something larger. Everything else, including batching with a conveyor feeder, makes it ideal for small businesses who can hustle out demands of their customers. Now, while I do need a larger laser at times, like my P2S, the F1 Ultra still stands strong as my favorite laser for business. It does everything extremely well without much tinkering. I can just put something in the material bed, drop over a design, hit start, and it engraves. And I know that may sound just so simple to you, but being able not to think about all the stuff that I have to do and being able to engrave something with a click of a button makes it worth it to me because I can give that to my clients and I don't have to worry about anything. So if you have been engraving for any amount of time, you know what I mean. I'm not just trying to say this, but I dare you to find another laser besides this F1 Ultra that's this easy to use, that can do this fast. Okay guys, I got both of these engraved in a little under 15 minutes. If you rub your finger across here, you can feel where it is etched down into the paint and in the steel. So for under 15 minutes and making some money, this isn't that bad. So is the xTool F1 Ultra worth it? I'm gonna tell you, you have to discover that answer for yourself. I mean, my views are based strictly on my experience with the machine. And if you're someone who values creativity, who wants to leave a mark on the things you make, then yes, any laser engraving unit is more than just a tool. It's a way to express yourself. Like how people use tattoos to share their stories and show who they are, the real value isn't in the machine itself. It's in the experiences and ideas that you bring to the table and the problems that you solve for other people. Now, I know this video is about the F1 Ultra, but not a lot of people tells you about the marketing behind it and how it just works together, if that makes sense. Laser engraving is a blast and has been one of the best investments I made in my business. And if you're thinking about taking that step to create pieces that resonate and add value, check out the links below for more info on the F1 Ultra. I would love to see what you come up with. Now, please know this, my friends, I am not up here to peddle a laser or other tools. I am here to help guide, teach, and inspire others to do what I do, and I am learning as I go. So drop a comment below about what you would create with a laser engraver like this. this. I love to hear your ideas, and as always, thank you for joining, and if you like what's going on here, hit the subscribe button and be a part of our community. I'll see you soon, friends. Don't sleep on what I told you. Go out there and create something awesome. I'll see you later.